At a major defense exhibition in Saudi Arabia, China quietly presented a system that changes how maritime monitoring is evolving. An unmanned aircraft designed to search beneath the ocean's surface. This video explores what was revealed, why this capability is appearing now, and what it signals about the future of autonomous surveillance. We'll unpack the technology, the regional context, and the broader meaning behind this carefully timed showcase. What sets this reveal apart is not the presence of another unmanned aircraft, but the specific role it is designed to perform. China displayed a full-scale model of the Winglong X at the World Defense Show, presenting it as an unmanned platform optimized for maritime patrol and underwater detection. That focus alone marks a notable shift in how advanced surveillance missions are being approached. For decades, monitoring activity beneath the sea has depended on large crewed aircraft capable of carrying specialized sensors and staying airborne for long durations. These platforms are effective, but they come with high operating costs, heavy logistical demands, and physical limits tied to human crews. The Winglong X represents a different philosophy. By removing the crew entirely, endurance becomes the primary advantage. An unmanned system can remain airborne for extended periods, maintaining steady coverage over wide maritime areas without fatigue or rotation cycles. Publicly available details and previous international displays suggest the Winglong X is designed around stability, payload flexibility, and long-duration flight rather than speed or aggressive performance. This matters because underwater monitoring is not about quick reactions. It is about patience, consistency, and data accumulation. The longer an aircraft can remain in position, the clearer the picture it can build of activity below the surface. Another important aspect is how such a platform fits into a wider information ecosystem. Systems like the Winglong X are intended to operate as part of a network, sharing collected data with other sensors, surface assets, and analysis centers. This networked approach allows information to be cross-checked, filtered, and interpreted in real time, making surveillance more accurate without relying on a single source. What makes this presentation especially telling is that China chose to show this platform openly at an international exhibition rather than keep it confined to domestic events. A full-scale model presented to global audiences sends a message of maturity. It suggests the technology is no longer experimental, but ready to be discussed as a practical solution. This reframing of unmanned systems, from general-purpose aircraft to highly specialized surveillance tools, lays the groundwork for understanding why the location of this reveal is just as important as the aircraft itself. The decision to showcase this capability in Saudi Arabia is deeply connected to regional realities. The Middle East's strategic landscape is shaped by busy sea lanes, offshore energy infrastructure, and narrow waterways that require constant monitoring. Maintaining awareness across these areas is challenging, especially when coverage needs to be continuous rather than occasional. Traditional crewed patrol aircraft can provide this coverage, but at a high cost. They require trained crews, extensive support infrastructure, and frequent rotations. Autonomous systems offer an alternative model. An unmanned aircraft can remain airborne for long periods, providing persistent observation without the same logistical footprint. This makes such platforms especially attractive for states seeking long-term monitoring solutions that are efficient and scalable. There is also a procurement dimension. Many regional states are actively diversifying their technology partnerships. Autonomous platforms offered by China come with fewer political conditions than some alternatives, giving buyers more flexibility in how systems are integrated and operated. By presenting a specialized maritime surveillance aircraft rather than a general-purpose drone, China is addressing a clearly defined operational need rather than offering a broad, unfocused solution. Cost efficiency plays an equally important role. Building and maintaining a fleet of crewed maritime patrol aircraft requires long-term investment in training, facilities, and maintenance. An unmanned alternative lowers the entry barrier, allowing states to adopt advanced monitoring capabilities incrementally rather than all at once. Equally important is how these systems are perceived. Platforms designed for observation and data collection are easier to integrate into regional security frameworks without triggering unnecessary tension. By emphasizing endurance, autonomy, and information gathering, the focus remains on awareness rather than escalation. What truly explains China's interest in unmanned maritime systems is not the aircraft itself, but what it supports below the surface. Over the past decade, China has steadily expanded its focus on submarines as long-endurance, low-visibility platforms designed for surveillance, deterrence, and presence across vast ocean areas. These vessels operate quietly and rely on staying hidden, which makes awareness of the surrounding environment just as important as speed or firepower. Submarines are only effective when they remain undetected, and that reality shapes how China thinks about maritime monitoring. Instead of relying solely on large crewed aircraft or surface ships, China has increasingly emphasized layered awareness, combining space-based sensors, surface platforms, seabed systems, and now unmanned aircraft. The appearance of an unmanned system designed to support underwater detection fits directly into this broader framework. The Winglong X is best understood as part of this supporting architecture, rather than a standalone solution. Its role is not to replace submarines or crewed patrol aircraft, but to extend visibility across areas where underwater activity may occur. By remaining airborne for long periods, such platforms can continuously observe surface patterns, deploy sensors, and relay data that helps build a clearer picture of subsurface movement over time. This approach reflects how China views submarines as strategic assets that benefit from information dominance rather than constant maneuvering. Persistent aerial monitoring helps reduce uncertainty, allowing underwater platforms to operate more confidently within known conditions. It also enables decision-makers to rely on accumulated data instead of short observation windows. What makes this especially notable is that China is now comfortable showcasing elements of this approach internationally. Presenting an unmanned system tied to submarine support signals that this concept has moved beyond internal development and into a mature phase. It suggests that China sees its submarine-related monitoring ecosystem as robust enough to be discussed openly and even offered abroad. Rather than focusing on dramatic performance claims, this reveal highlights a quieter shift. Submarines are no longer supported only by large, visible assets, but by persistent, autonomous systems designed to watch, listen, and inform over long durations. That shift helps explain why this development matters far beyond the exhibition floor. What was revealed in Saudi Arabia is not just another unmanned aircraft. It represents a quiet shift in how maritime awareness is being built for the future. By assigning long-duration underwater monitoring to an autonomous platform, China is highlighting how persistence, data, and autonomy are reshaping security thinking. This moment matters because it shows how major changes often arrive without fanfare, embedded in exhibitions rather than headlines. As autonomous systems continue to evolve, the focus may move away from visibility and toward constant, reliable awareness beneath the surface. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you there.